Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app, and now you can see the option menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see the name at the top of the screen. Just simply tap the name, and here you can go to your profile page and make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can see the three dots at the middle right of the screen that is next to edit profile. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the option memorialization settings. After memorialization settings, that is turned on professional mode. My app is not shown the option. First, make sure that you updated the latest version. After updating the latest version, you can again open the Facebook app, and here you can see the button showed. After this, you can now tap on the button, and you can just follow the steps, and after follow the steps, the Facebook profile is to be created to digital creator. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist you in the next one. Thanks for watching.